And it is through your own discovery, awareness, and understanding that you will develop a new eating habit and eat foods that are good for your body and will reduce your body the way that you want your body to be: healthy, thinner, slender, and strong. Take a few moments now, and in the privacy of your own mind, realize all the valuable information that you've received. You'll take this information and knowledge and you'll put it into action and develop a slender, healthy body. I don't know what's going on now, but you can sense something very good happening. Some good thoughts and feelings. So let it continue. And now, in the privacy of your own mind, realize and recognize all the wonderful experiences that you've just had. Realize and recognize the new discoveries that you've just made. The discoveries that will reduce your body to a level that is pleasing to you.